Hi guys, I'm Chinonso Okoronkwo and I'm a Nigerian-based makeup artist, hairstylist and fashion enthusiast. Over the past years, I've helped people gain their confidence by helping them find and enhance their beauty. Welcome to my official YouTube channel. On this channel, I make videos to inform, entertain, and educate you on everything beauty, fashion, DIYs, and lifestyle. Expect videos on skincare, makeup, gele, hair, wigs, product reviews, fashion haul, DIYs, vlogs, and a little about me, my family, and so on. I'm here to help and guide you. I upload videos 3 times every week, so do well to smash the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss my videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 7 p.m. Till I see you in my next video, stay fab and stay blessed.